a normal man. You all did see that on the lower top. I first presented him up to the world, which he did first refuse. Was his ambition? Yet, Brutus says he was ambitious. Sure, he is an honorable man. I speak not to disprove what Brutus spoke, but here I am to speak what I do know. You all did love him once, not without cause. What cause will hold you then to mourn for him? O judge, thou art fled to
Judge
foolish
both.
beasts, and men have lost their reasons. Bear with me. My heart is in the coffin there is a star, and I must pause till it come back to me.
Good morning. Today's speech is about dream of Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream by Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream that one day this nation will be rise up and live out the
Yeah,
true
boy.
living free. Behold this truth to be self-evident that all the men are created equal. I have a dream that one day, on the radius of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and sons of former slaves owner will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a desert state sweltering in the heat of injustice. I have a dream
That's
that
a
my
dog.
four children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. Let freedom ring from every hill and every moment of Mississippi. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. When we let freedom ring, when we let it ring from every village and every hamlet, from every state and every city, we will be able to speak out the name to all of God's children, black and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics. We will be able to join hands in singing the words of Negroes, of all Negroes. Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
Igel!
Fingers turn.
You're such a loser. Okay, class, good morning.
Good morning.
It's about Never Give In by Winston Churchill. But for everyone, surely what we have gone through in this period,
Pogi ng mga
I'm addressing myself to the school. Surely, from this period of 10 months, this is the lesson. Never give in, never give in, never, never, never. Never in nothing, great or small, large or petty. Never give in except to conviction of honor and good sense. Never yield to force. Never yield to apparently overwhelming might of the enemy. We stood all alone a year ago. It seems our account was closed. We're finished. All this tradition of ours, our song, our school history, this part of history of this country, we're gone and finished and deeply. Very different is the road today. Britain, other nations,
Solis ko ang kuha eh.
bunch across our state. But instead stood in the gap. There's no teaching, no giving.
Wala na.
And what seems almost a
Bilit
miracle
tayo.
to those outside of this island.
Tawa na tawa yun.
Though we're slaves, never done it. And now I find ourselves that we have only to persevere to conquer.
Finish at last.
Alas!
I want to express my thanks to you as a graduate of the Michigan of the East Harvard University. I come here tonight delighted to have the opportunity to say one or two words about this campaign that is coming into the last 3 weeks. I think in many ways it is the most important campaign since
Tayo na once. Take the camera.
expressed upon the United States and the virginity which descended to us in the 1960s. The virginity must be sized to the judgment of the President. To the judgment of the President and the vigor of the Executive and the operation of the Congress.
Yeah, boy.
Through this, I think, we can make the greatest possible difference. How many of you are going to be doctors?
Sorry.
When you based in Ghana, technicians or
Baka mawala. Sige
how
mo
many
dyan.
of you are willing to work in foreign service and spend your lives in Ghana? For the willingness to do that, not merely to serve 1 year or 2 years in the service, but and your willingness to want to be part of your life in this country, I think will depend the answer whether the free society can contribute. I think it can. I think the Americans are willing to contribute, but the effort must be far greater than we have ever reached in the past.
Uy, bastos oh. Ayda.
Go.
Summertime in the bar. Summertime is flower spread. Warm fragrance in the air. Summertime is bluer sky. Greener leaves and butterfly. Summertime is colors bright. And stories to the left. Summertime is serenade. Music song and every passion. Summertime is rivers cool. It's
Hindi mo na mabatan na.
I just covered